Hi everyone, this is the first of a series of videos showing you how to use Athletic.net and RaceTab. Today I want to show you how to download entries from Athletic.net into RaceTab. RaceTab is a free meet manager software. It's a free download. So I'm on my Athletic.net page, and for this example I want to use a meet that was conducted last season. So instead of 2015 calendar, I want to go to my 2014 calendar, and I'm going to scroll down to a meet that I timed, the Green Valley Cluster meet on October 1st. I'm going to click it, go to Manage Meet. As we can see here, all the teams, Basic, Eldorado, Green Valley, Vegas, Liberty Valley, the Meadows, and Adelson all have their entries in. You can check here too. All the entries for that meet. 195 entries. So we'll go back. Next we go to Download Entries. You click that box. We want to make sure that the run score / race tab format is chosen. All teams, and download the entry file. This pops up. We select Save File. I have it set to save to my desktop as RS Meet Entries. Since I already have it there, I've been practicing. I'm going to click Save and replace it. And I am now done with the part for Athletic.net. So I'm now going to go to my Race tab, and this is the opening page. We are going to open a cross-country meet or start a blank cross-country meet. Get rid of that there. It is a high school meet, so we'll click High School. Name the meet. You can name the meet whatever you wish. I'm going to call it Green Valley Weekday. The date of the meet, it was last year, so we're going to keep the date that the meet actually occurred. So it's October 1st, and the meet ended on the same day. Okay. Create default events. We don't want to do that yet, so we're going to select none. You can put the meet location, you can put the city, that's not important. We can put it in just to show you. Henderson, tab over, Nevada, so type in the letter N. All the N's show up, click Nevada. The divisions that we have. If you're going to have a varsity and a junior varsity race, make sure both are selected. It will turn green. And click Finish. And depending on the speed of your computer, it will start creating the meet for you. And here we go. So, name, cross country, date. Again, you can put the venue, the course in, it's not necessary. You want to put the conditions, that's fine too. We're not going to be doing chip timing, so we'll click None. Scoring style is a regular cross-country scoring by place, not by total time and not by average time. So we're going to select Standard. Scores per team in cross-country is 5, displaced for 7. If there's any unattached athletes, which we should not have, we select No. Okay. Next thing we have to do is go to our athletes. We have certain tabs up here. We have the Setup tab, Teams, no teams yet, no athletes. We haven't set the events yet. Do that later. So let's go back to athletes. What we're going to do is we're going to import the athletes that we now have from Athletic.net saved to our desktop. So we're going to browse our computer. There's my RS Meet entry file. And this scary looking page comes up. what we have to do now, this is like a big spreadsheet. Everything is separated by commas, 1 comma M comma THME comma. This is delimited by commas. So I'm going to deselect tab and only select commas. Now, each column, some columns we need, some we don't need. So the division column we do not need. So we're going to click on it, right click, and ignore. And actually we don't need this column either, so we're going to select that, right click, and delete that row. Okay. We're going to ignore this column. Gender, we need that column, so we're going to keep that. This is not the team, this is the team abbreviation. We do not want that, so we're going to select it and hide it. We can hide this one too. It doesn't matter. Either ignore or hide. So if you want to hide it, select ignore, right click, and hide. Your preference. Okay, here we go. This column says last name. This is not the last name. These are the team names. So select last name. We selected the column last name. We're going to change that to team. This is not the athlete's first name. It is their last name. The grade column is actually their first name. These have to be exact. We've got 2 columns here that came through for grade. So we're going to delete or hide one of them. So select it, right click, hide. I'm going to change the ignore column to grade. We don't need the city or state or zip code, so you can highlight all those columns on top, right click anywhere in the blue, and hide. Now what I found out with this meet, I'm glad I found it. We've got 2 teams. We got Green Valley and we have Valley. And for whatever reason, since we have 2 teams with the word Valley in it, they need to be changed. I'm not sure why. I just found out that it won't work unless I do this. If you have schools that don't have duplicate names, you won't have to do this part. So I'm going to select team. I'm going to find Valley. I'm going to change Valley's name. Valley, tab over, Valley HS. So I'm going to apply this change to my entire selection. Click replace. Now you'll see that it actually changed Green Valley to Green Valley High School. We need to change that back. So again, select team. We're going to find Green Valley HS and get them back to where we want them. Green Valley. Replace. So we're good to go. Hopefully. Let's see. Let's click import. It says we have a duplicate column named team. I don't really see that. So this is a little troubleshooting that we can go through here. We're going to go through this one more time. So we're going to select this refresh and refresh everything on here. This is a good thing to know. So this column here is actually gender column. It's not ignore. Team. Last. First. Grade. We don't want that column. Click on it. Right click your mouse and select hide. Now we have our column headings correct. Gender, team, last name, first name, and grade. Now let's select import. There we go. 8 teams added. Remember, we had 195 athletes on athletic.net. We now have 195 on RaceTab. And select done. When you select done, you think, what happened? I don't see anything. Tab through. Here are your teams. Adelson, Basic, El Dorado, Green Valley, Las Vegas, Liberty, Meadows, and Valley. And we select athletes. It's all the athletes in the meet. What we need to do now, last thing I want to show you, is how to assign bib numbers to all the athletes. This is important when they, at the end of the shoot, you tear off their bib, you tear off their tag, they've got the bib number. So you can just enter those bib numbers into RaceTab. So select bib. We're going to do both genders. We're going to do all the teams, so keep that blank. All the athletes. And we want to sort these by the team. So each team has a series of numbers. They're not split. So on our sort order, field number 1, we're just going to select team name. Numbers available 1 through 99,999. Keep that. Click assign and done. Depending on the speed of your computer, you can see the green bar showing you the progress of assigning bib numbers. And we're done. So all the Adelson athletes are 1 through 5, basic is 6 through 39, El Dorado, Green Valley. There we go. So this is how you import the athletes. The next video, I'll be able to show you how to set up your events, how to run the meet, and later on how to publish the results. Thank you for watching. I'll be back later with another athletic.net RaceTab video.